put several grains of black pepper in a glass of water and watch what happens. It's fantastic. You must do this great natural trick. And believe me, you will be surprised at the results. Many people in the world drink this mixture for the treatment and prevention of many different problems. It is very simple to use. What it has to do? 1. Just add 2 tablespoons of black peppercorns in a glass of water, and let it boil for 3-4 minutes. 2. After that, you should remove it from the fire, strain and drink the liquid while it is still hot. The black pepper, fruit of Hindu origin, has been used since time immemorial for culinary and medicinal purposes. A substance called piperine is the cause of the spicy taste it confers on food. It has no season of the year, and that is why it can always be obtained. It is no exaggeration to say that it is one of the most commercial spices in the world. Here are the benefits of black pepper for health. 1. The bioavailability of various nutrients such as vitamins A and C, selenium, beta-carotene and others, thus improving your overall health. 2. Bioavailability refers to the amount of a nutrient or supplement that is absorbed by the body. 3. You should also know that this powerful spice stimulates the taste buds and increases the secretion of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which in turn helps proper digestion. 4. Interestingly, most digestive problems are caused by a lack of hydrochloric acid rather than the excess amounts of it. 5. Weight loss. The bark of black pepper helps to eliminate fat cells. Therefore, consuming it frequently will help you maintain a good body weight. 6. Skin. Pepper helps cure vitiligo, a disease that causes depigmentation in some areas of the skin. Studies suggest that the piperine contained in the pepper stimulates the production of pigments.